Hello guys, back to a new video. Today we are doing a bit of button customization in Windows Forms applications. Not gonna make a long intro, long story short, let's begin. Okay, so here we have 3 buttons added from Toolbox into our form design. I'm gonna pick one button and into section of flat appearance to add flat style to be a flat button type. And just to make this button a bit more prettier, I'm gonna cut border size back to the 0. And since we are doing a bit of customization video, I'm gonna give our form application a bit of color just to make it a bit prettier. Right after that, I'm gonna give this button a bit of some reddish color. My advice is to always pick colors from web section because it has much more options than system or this custom type section where you actually can customize the color. Always pick the web one. I'll do the same thing for the second button, but this time I will not mess with border size. I will let it be adjusted to 1 so we have a bit more difference between buttons. And for final third button, I was thinking to leave it to system default type of button, but I did not like this whitish border it had, so I started playing a bit more with button types and a bit of customizations like border size. In the end, I left it to be flat with no border at all. And after we created some basic starting point for our buttons, we need to write something on them. So we have this basic button 1, 2, 3 text, and through this option fonts, we're gonna change the fonts a bit. There's not much to tell about this one. You can play with it. You can pick different font sizes, letter types, and letter size. Okay, now I'm gonna speed up a bit of video and I will add additional button just to play a bit more with border sizes, colors of the button, of fonts. Nothing very special. This is very beginner friendly tutorial, not expert video how to actually make all those fancy buttons and things like that. This is beginner friendly, and actually even on very beginner level you can do a lot to improve your font quality and your form look in general, just by playing a bit with fonts and colors and size and border types of the buttons. And now, after I finished making these buttons and playing with settings of them, we will start our form just to see how they look. Okay, and these buttons look to be very nice, nothing very special, but for 1 minute craft we did, they look very nice. I hope this was a very useful video to you guys starting your programming and form designs, in general application design. Thank you very much for watching and see you in next one. Bye bye.